beauties, it's MissUniqueBeautii in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at MissUniqueBeautii. The hair in today's video was sent to me by a company called Tinashe Hair, and I am going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you guys so that you guys can see exactly how the package comes. So in the box, they did send a satin bag filled with a bunch of goodies, which was a headband wig, some hair care instructions, and a wig cap, and also some lashes. Now in the box itself was the wig, and the wig that they did go ahead and send me is a kinky curly 24-inch headband wig. This wig is 150% density, and it does come in a standard medium size cap, which it measures 22.5 inches. Now my initial impressions of this wig is that the curls on this wig is extremely tight, and you guys will have to go in and define the curls on this wig. I am going to go ahead and show you guys how I do that as well. Now this wig has 4 wig combs and the headband wig strap to secure the wig down onto your head. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is use my Style Factor Edge Booster Pomade for thick and coarse hair, and I'm going to use this product just to slick back my edges and create some baby hairs in the front section of my hair. Now I use this product in just about all of my videos where I leave my edges out. I swear by this product. This product leaves my edges laying down all day long. This edge control has been one of the first edge controls to do that for me, and I've tried a lot of edge controls. So if you guys do have type 4C hair or kinky curly hair like I do, this edge control will work for you. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is apply my wig cap to my head, and I'm just putting it right behind my hairline, exactly where I want the beginning of the wig to begin. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig to my head and secure it really nicely by using the combs, and then strapping the headband wig straps in the back section of my head. Now to make this a lot easier, I am going to go ahead and pin the hair up just to make it easier for me to secure the headband wig straps. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn around so that you guys can see how flat and smooth those straps lay in the back of my neck, and I really love the fit of this wig. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this cheetah print headband that did come along with the wig in the box, just so that you guys can see how to apply the headband and how the headband will look once it's placed on my head. And I actually really love this headband, and I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see how flat that lays in the back as well. Now I'm going to go in with my spray bottles filled with only water in it, and I'm going to use this to define the curls in the wig. Now I do strongly recommend that you guys saturate your wig in a sink, because that would have been so much easier than trying to wet the hair with a spray bottle, and also the process would have been a whole lot faster. But because I want to show you guys how I define my curls on camera, I did go ahead and use my spray bottle in this video to show that. Now another thing that I do want to tell you guys is that this is kinky curly hair, so this wig is going to get very big once you brush out those curls. So I know when you guys take that hair out of that package, it looks pretty intimidating by the curl pattern that the wig originally has, but once you go ahead and saturate the wig with water, the curls will pop, and this wig will get extremely big. this is what the hair is looking like after I went ahead and defined all of the curls on this one side using only water. And as you guys can see, these curls look super duper juicy. Now, if you don't want the wig to look big and fluffy like how I like it, you can go ahead and either apply a curl lotion or a mousse that doesn't have any type of alcohol in it, and that will also help to calm your curls down and give you the definition that you are looking for in your curls. If you guys do decide to get this hair length, I do suggest working in sections. It's so much easier than working in one large section. You can do 4 different smaller sections and the process will come out absolutely amazing in the end. I am going to go ahead and leave the link to this wig along with any discount codes down in the description box down below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. Now let's get into my slow-mo. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any suggestions or questions that you guys may have. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!